Success in exam isn't just about how many hours you study. It's about how you train your mind. Most students struggle not because they are incapable, but because they are battling inner fears, distraction, procrastination, and low self-belief. That's where NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, comes in. It's a modern mind training system that rewires your thinking, emotions, and habits. But here's the beautiful part. It's not really new. The roots of NLP go back to ancient times. Even Lord Krishna used NLP like wisdom on the battlefield when he transformed a trembling Arjuna into the boldest warrior of the Mahabharata. Let's explore 5 benefits of NLP that every student must know. The first one, NLP builds unshakable confidence. Arjuna stood on the battlefield frozen in fear. His bow slipped. His mind said, "I cannot do this." But Lord Krishna did not scold him. He changed his mindset. He helped Arjuna reframe fear as illusion and duty as dharma. That's NLP. It teaches you to shift your inner dialogue from what if I fail to what if I succeed. Just like Lord Krishna, NLP helps you stand tall when your mind wants to run. One student used to fear speaking in front of the class. She learned an NLP anchoring technique, pressing her thumb and finger together while recalling a confident memory. That simple gesture, repeated daily, became her courage button. Today, she leads school debates confidently. Second one, NLP improves memory and recall. Ancient rishis memorized thousands of verses without writing anything down. How? They used rhythm, voice, images, and storytelling techniques now studied in NLP. A student who struggled with biology, he turned the digestive system into a visual journey from his hostel gate to his room. The mouth at the gate, stomach in the kitchen, intestine along the corridor. In the exam, he simply walked the path in his mind and recalled everything. That's the NLP memory palace. Turning facts into visuals, then linking them to real spaces in your brain. Third one, NLP helps break procrastination. We all delay things we fear. NLP uses your brain's natural wiring to link pleasure to action and pain to delay. A student who scrolled Instagram every time he sat to study learned to visualize how heavy he felt after wasting hours and how light he felt after finishing a chapter. That after feeling visualization done daily shifted his habits. In just 10 days, his mind began to crave the feeling of completion more than the short hit of distraction. The fourth one, NLP dissolves exam fear. Fear isn't about the event, it's about how your brain pictures the event. NLP uses something called mental rehearsal. A student who panicked before every test was guided to close her eyes and imagine herself entering the exam hall calmly, opening the paper and smiling while writing. This daily 3-minute visualization told her brain, "This is normal." Slowly, her body stopped reacting in fear. This is the same method used by athletes and top performers worldwide. Fifth one, NLP aligns your body, breath, and thoughts. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna told Arjuna, "This weakness does not suit you. Stand up." He did not just motivate him, he changed his body language, shifted his breath, and rewired his identity. That's what NLP does. It helps you adopt posture, breathing, and inner language that supports your best self. Whether it's sitting straight while studying, saying "I'm focused," or even breathing deeply before a test, these signals train your nervous system to perform at its peak. To conclude, NLP isn't about pretending to be someone you are not. It's about discovering the strength that already lives within you. Arjuna did not need a new weapon, he needed a new way to think. That's what Lord Krishna gave him. And that's what NLP offers every student today. You're not lazy. You're not just trained yet. You're not weak. You've just forgotten your power. Awaken it. Give your best and be the best version of yourself. Thank you and Jai Shri Krishna.